Hello, welcome to Google Classroom training. Just letting you know about the new changes to Classroom so that you can add some materials via the Classwork tab. So if we click here to Classwork, all you need to do is create material, and then you can add various different things for your students. And what you can do is put it into a topic. So your topic might be, although we'll put Google Classroom, okay, training video, and then you just need to add a link to it. So you could do it here, Google, let's see if we can search one. And then you can just add, your own videos, you can add ones that are already on YouTube, you can add all sorts of different resources straight from Google Drive, whatever you want to do. So just click post. And that's added there. So you can group it all into various different topics, and you can create assignments, questions, materials, which we've just done, reuse posts, and there's where you create your topics. So you can group everything together under the IB format. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, you can visit laedtech.info. Have a great day. Bye.